Ever wondered about the power packed within those tiny, glossy seeds known as linen seeds? Well, today is your lucky day as we delve into the world of these nutritional powerhouses. Often overshadowed by its famous cousin flaxseed, linen seeds are a treasure trove of health benefits. They are rich in dietary fiber, aiding in digestion and preventing constipation. They also help maintain cholesterol levels, ensuring your heart stays healthy and robust. But that's not all. Linen seeds are also a wonderful source of antioxidants. These little warriors fight off harmful free radicals in your body, keeping your cells healthy and reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Now, let's talk about omega-3 fatty acids. Usually when you hear omega-3, you think of fish, right? But did you know that linen seeds are a fantastic plant-based source of this essential fatty acid? Yes, indeed. These seeds help reduce inflammation and improve brain health. And we haven't even touched on lignans yet. Linen seeds are one of the richest sources of lignans, a type of phytoestrogen that has been linked to reducing the risk of certain types of cancer and improving bone health. To top it all off, linen seeds are also an excellent source of protein, making them a perfect addition to your diet, especially if you're looking to build muscle. So how can you incorporate these magical seeds into your daily diet? It's simple. You can add them to your morning smoothie for an extra nutritional boost, sprinkle them on your salad for some added crunch, or mix them into your favorite yogurt for a delightful twist. You can also use linen seeds as a replacement for eggs in recipes. Just mix 1 tablespoon of ground linen seeds with 2.5 tablespoons of water and let it sit for a few minutes. Voila! You have a vegan egg ready to be used in your baking. In summary, linen seeds are a hidden gem in the world of nutrition. They offer a host of benefits such as improved digestion, heart health, reduced inflammation, and enhanced bone health. Plus, they're a versatile ingredient that can be added to various dishes. So next time you're at the grocery store, don't forget to pick up a bag of these tiny but mighty seeds. Your body will thank you for it.